Should I target my own brand keywords with PPC or let them rank organically? This is one of those questions that most people would say that you should not because it's waste of money. And I would be the one that's saying that, yes, might be a waste of money for you, but I have a strategy where I'm going to target your listings if you're not targeting, and I'm going to piggyback and I'm going to take away sales. Why? Because it's one of the strategies from our playbook. So I would advocate for running ads for your own branded keywords. And think of it this way, because Amazon is just the one platform. Honestly, I was just doing some research on ScaleWave and my name, and I was looking Amazon PPC because I was also curious on my end, okay, where do we show up in Google and so on? Because I'm literally putting out a ton of content lately and wanted to see what is the impact. Many of our competitors, many of the agencies that are offering similar services to ours, guess who they are targeting? So that's why I am saying that Amazon is just the one platform that people are like, oh, run ads for your branded keywords or don't run ads for your branded keywords. This is nothing new into marketing. So if you're going to look up any other platform, they are actively advertising for someone else's brand, you know? That's why I'm saying I'm seeing that as a pattern. If someone is doing it, they can make money with it. And if we are doing it, we can make money with it. So I would highly advise you, if you're not considering yet that strategy, to do so.